Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah. And today I'm going to stain my pergola with the help of my wife Nancy. And I'll be using the Olympic Redwood stain. So let's get started. And this is my pergola, and I built it over 3 years ago. And I finally have some time to stain it. This is made from pressure treated wood. And I was told you need to wait at least 6 months before you can stain it, because you want the wood to be totally dry and free of sap. And since it's been over 3 years, I think it's time. And I also wanted to stain it before we put that shade fabric on top. And ready for the summer. So if you're new to this channel and you find it of some value, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's remove all the furnitures under the pergola. And then take out all the lights, fixtures, and decorations. This is what I'll be using today. Olympic Maximum Stain Plus Sealant in 1. It says it has enhanced waterproof protection. It has advanced sunblock UV defense and also provides mildew and resistant coating. And it's 717 Redwood semi-transparent. And at the end of my video, I'll tell you my opinion about this stain versus the other stain I usually use, which is the bare redwood stain. So here's something you may be interested to know. So notice how I stir only the top portion of the stain. I don't stir the bottom. And that's because 2 inches of the bottom contains a cellulose sponge-like fiber that holds the color red dye. Therefore, if you stir the bottom, it becomes clumpy due to the fibers. The best thing to do is push down on the fibers, therefore releasing all the colors. And then you can stir the top. And if you accidentally stir the bottom, you may have to wait a couple of minutes until the fibers settle to the bottom. But before we start staining, I lay down some newspapers around the post so I don't get my stamped concrete with accidental spills and drips. And the first thing we do is do our first coat. And we stain the post first. We have 6 posts to do. So you're probably asking yourself, Jonah, why don't you use spray? Spray gun is much faster and saves time. Yes, you're right, but you waste 15 to 20% of your stain. We consider this as good exercise. Wow, check out the temperature. 30 degrees Celsius is 86 Fahrenheit. So it's time to take a break and cool off. Okay, let's get back to work and finish off the first coat on my 24-foot barriers. And we have 4 of them to do. And next, we start staining the rafters. These are 12-foot rafters, and we have a total of 18 of them. Alright, it's time to do the top portion, and I also have 2 battens to do. I have to use the high ladder for this one, and a little bit of balancing just to get to the center. And the next day we start a second coat again, which really brings out the rich redwood color. Okay, finally finished. It's time to clean up. I think we did a pretty good job. Not too many drips and spills on the stamped concrete. But it's always hard to get it perfect. And let's see how it looks. And tell me what you think of the look. Comment below if you think there are other stains that you prefer. Okay, let's talk about this Olympic Maximum stain. This is what I was talking about earlier, about that cellulose fiber material. This is 2 cans worth. The first can I emptied into the second one over here. Now you see, if you stir the bottom too much, all that stuff comes up and makes it all look clumpy. I was able to work with it, but other people may think it's annoying. So tell me what you think about it. I really like the transparent color though. You can still see the grain of the wood and also the knot, and it has a nice rich look. So if you liked my video and found it interesting, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.